Yeah, live, share, 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 live. You're live. Share, share. If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, please confirm. Welcome, Kingston. Okay, I think you can hear me. If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, please signify on the chat box. This week has been amazing. This week has been amazing. So we're going to do a quick wrap up for this weekly range profile. This week has been amazing. Monday sold, Tuesday sold, Wednesday bought for Asian, London, and New York AM. Then New York PM sold into Thursday and Friday. Now currently we are expecting a sell. So there's been a bearish momentum for USD for this week. Okay, we want to just do a review of how we were able to catch this sell from Monday. So this week was a bearish week. Okay, Monday to Friday bearish. Okay, Wednesday almost looked as if we were going to buy, but it was just a pull into the premium zone. It was just a pullback into the premium zone. So as in now, your foundation for technical analysis is structure plus liquidity. Market structure is the foundation for your technical analysis. Write that down. Is the foundation for your technical analysis. Market structure is the foundation for your technical analysis. Is the foundation. Okay? Market is the foundation for your technical analysis. Are we taking notes? And your job is to look for the swing points in your structure, your lower highs, lower lows, or higher low, higher highs, swing point, swing point, swing point, swing point, swing point. Market structure is the foundation for your technical analysis. All right? Market structure is the foundation for your technical analysis. So Monday was good. Tuesday was good. Wednesday was good. Thursday was good. Friday was good. We had a good week. We had a good week. So I want to mark out all the daily range. I want to mark out my daily range Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, just to do a wrap up, a wrap up, a wrap up, a wrap up, a wrap up. And let's learn. Let's learn what the price action give us. Let's learn. Let's learn. Remember, you are always a student of the market. You are always a student of the market. So this is Monday. You are always a student of the market. Every day, every trade teaches you something. It either teaches you a new thing or it reinforces something that you already know. You learn every single day. Every price action either teaches you a new thing or reinforces the things that you already know. Altogether, every price action either teaches you a new thing or reinforces the things that you already know. I repeat again, every price action teaches you a new thing or reinforces the things that you already know. So we learn every day. Trading is a lifelong learning process. So we have this price action. We want to just do a summary for the week, all right? Summary for the week, summary for the week, summary for the week. Yeah, so wiser traders, this is Monday's price action, Tuesday's price action, on Friday. One thing I want you to pay attention to every single day is your Asian range. Type on the chat box Asian range, Asian range. Type Asian range on the chat box. Asian range, Asian range, Asian range. One thing you need to pay attention to in every single day price action is your Asian range. Asian range. Let's go. Asian range. It's an important concept that day traders should not joke with. Your Asian range, the price action that delivered during the Asian session. Because it is said that Asian range declares the daily range. Asian range declares the daily range. Whatever happens during the Asian section has given us a cue of what will happen that day. Type on the chat box Asian range, everybody. Asian range. So you need to understand Asian range is one of the concepts that needs to be understood as a day trader. This is beyond strategy. This is not about strategy. This is understanding the market's concept. So to have an edge, as a day trader, to have an edge as a day trader, you need to understand the concept of Asian range in your strategy. You need to implement the concept of Asian range into your strategy. Okay, so we are not going to go much into detail because this is not mentorship. But in the mentorship, these are the things we break down. We give you all the concepts that will help you to have an edge. Okay, but Asian range is one of the important edge that you must understand to succeed as a day trader. So if you want to get deep understanding, you have to join the mentorship. Okay, so let's continue. Let's wrap up. So Monday, I'm going to mark out Asian low for all the days, and I will show you what I mean. And also, I have an indicator that helps me to know the pips, the range pip of my Asian. I will give us that for free. I will give us that too for free. The indicator that helps me to know the pip range of my Asian is called FXN Asian Session by Rob Minty. I'll write it in the chat box for you. See, FXN Asian Section Range by Rob Minty. Let me show you here. Rob Minty. That's the indicator that helps you to know FXN Asian Session Range. Rob Minty. Once you put this in trading view, it gives you range of every session. FXN Asian Session Range of Minty. Once you put that into your trade, it gives you the pips of every session range. This is very powerful. This tool will help you a long way. Okay, so this is Monday, Asian high, Asian low, right? Then Tuesday, Asian high, Asian low. Tuesday, Asian high, Asian low. Wednesday, Asian high, Wednesday, Asian high, Asian low. Thursday, yesterday, we called this sell yesterday. If you're in the call yesterday, live call, I called this sell yesterday. Asian high, Asian low. Because I already understand how Asian section works. And these things, patterns repeat themselves. Patterns repeat themselves. So I saw that yesterday when we are around past 7, we had broken out of Asian low about 10 pips. So I felt like no, can't be right. You can't start selling at 10 pips. 10 pips is too small for the range. There still needs to be a liquidity of buy side each block, and that was what price did. Price took out liquidity into the 15 minutes or 30 other block, and that was how the drop happened. So that is for Thursday. So for Thursday, what price action did was price distributed, but that sell was inducement, right? Then price took out the buy side liquidity, inducing the buy stops of buyers and the stop loss of sellers. Liquidity above here is the buy stops of buyers. So buyers are already induced thinking that we are ready to buy. Also, sellers that were selling has been stopped out. So at every resistance, we have the orders of buy stop of buyers and stop loss of sellers that will be induced. I repeat, at every resistance, the liquidity that is resting at every resistance is the buy stop of buyers. That means buyers will be induced to continue buying. Those that trade breakout. Okay, once price breaks out, they want to start buying. So the buy stop orders has been triggered. Also, those that have been selling, they'll put their stop loss here. So what the market does is the market induces and hunts the buy stop of buyers and the stop loss of sellers. So that's why if you are trading trend line, support, and resistance, I will advise you trade those things with the length of liquidity. I shared on Tuesday that retail trading concept is not bad, but if you are ignoring liquidity, it's dangerous. If you are trading retail concepts like your trend line, your support, your resistance, I won't say you should stop trading them, but I will advise you to use your retail trading concept with the length of liquidity. If not, your orders will be used as liquidity. The way you do breakfast. If that's clear, typing clear. So this sell was too early for me. So I knew that I can't be selling right now. One, because I understood that Asian range has delivered 10 pips. 10 pips was too small for a range to sell. If I had gotten like maybe 30 pips or so, this sell would have made sense. This other block would have held. But Asian range gave me 10 pips and I saw a distribution. This distribution suggests that it is an inducement. I am preaching somebody. I'm showing you how to break down price action. Okay. So next time, when you see this kind of pattern, you know that this sell is not ready because this range was too small to accumulate this distribution. There still need to be markets to look for liquidity into an area of interest. So in this case, it was this other block on 30 minutes that markets found as key level towards sell for the day. If it's clear, type in clear, clear, clear with some fire emojis. I am preaching this morning. I'm preaching, I'm preaching, I'm preaching. So that's the power of understanding Asian session. It helps you to, for better word, predict, right? Even if you don't say we predict the market, but Asian range gives you that edge to know what the market, to know the next move. Let me just go that. Okay. You understand the price action for Thursday? Understanding from the Asian perspective. Now, Wednesday, because we already have a break of structure from Tuesday, that means the market is what? Bearish. Okay? And Asian range has given us 20 pips. If I see any buy happening during the London section, it should suggest that that buy is just a pullback. I repeat, from Tuesday, from Tuesday, we already had a break of structure, giving us a lower low. Okay. If I see any buy happening during the Asian to London, that buy should suggest that we are pulling back to look for a key level to continue selling. So you either follow the pullback and be careful to take profit, or you wait for the pullback to happen. So those that took the pullback made money from the buy. And when price goes to the destination. So on a higher time frame, it was a 4 hours order block that price rested at. Or if you want to use a Fibonacci retracement, which we love to use, we see price delivering at 71% Fibonacci. We see price delivering at exactly 71%. So write on the chat box, Fibonacci 61.8 to 79% is your OTE. Fibonacci 61.8 to 79. Your 71 is your middle line for your entry. For Fibonacci retracement levels, your optimal trade entry, I'm giving you this now as expo, is 61.8. Optimal trade entry 61.8% to 79%. Your entry is the middle line. Fibonacci retracement optimal, Fibonacci retracement OTE. Fibonacci retracement OTE. 61.8 to 79% is your OTE. The 71% is your middle line, which is most likely going to be your entry. Watching out for the price action happens at 71% of Fibonacci retracement. If you're getting value, type in value. Type in fire, fire, fire. I'm not seeing our comments. I need feedback. It is clear. Fibonacci retracement, optimal trade entry, 9%, and your entry level is at 71. So you can see how price respected the 71%. Okay, distributed, came back for a retracement, and what? And sold, and is still selling. So we are wrapping up for the week, studying how price reacted so that we can repeat the same process over and over again. So if you are holding your trade since Wednesday, our TP is here. The extension for 61.8. Price is still yet to get there. That means we still have more room to the downside. Yeah. The first target has been met. The first TP, which is the Fibonacci 27%, has been met already. So we expect a pullback. Now, what do we expect today? I'm giving a call for today now. We expect to see there's already a break of structure, but we have our Asian high and Asian low. So two things will happen. Two things will happen today. Either rest Asian range or take out more liquidity out of the Asian high to sell. We don't know what will happen, but we have to wait for a reaction. So it's either price will respect this key level and sell, or price goes to take liquidity into this fair value gap and what, and sell. So these are the trends today. Okay, because we are bearish for the week. So We are bearish for the week. Yeah. I have my fair value gap here. Fair value gap. Okay. So I just wait. I wait for a retracement into, like I said, we have a tiny break of structure here. So if that break of structure did not hold, it means it's going to be induced into the fair value gap. All right. So this is my expectation for today. I hope that's clear. Right? So long as we are still bearish, okay, I I wait for a retracement to continue selling. The only time that this guy can be invalidated is when, let me go to my higher time frame, is when I has been taken out. Okay. The only time I will change our bias to be bullish is when this swing high is taken out. So until then, we are pretty much bearish. Now we have gotten to this place. We have gotten to this place. To be careful also. I have overcome the world. I know, I have overcome the world. These are 4 hours order block. Our 4 hours demand order block. Yeah. So and we have taken our liquidity. So we are currently in a what? In a demand zone after this liquidity and all of that. Blah blah blah. So we are careful on what this price action is going to deliver. We're very careful. But nevertheless, on lower time, that I'm saying for us to have a change of character, if you want to be bullish, then I want to see this lower high taking out, break of structure, and give us a new direction. So this is the alternative. Let me zero. If the buyers wants to come into play, then we're gonna have this and have a new break of structure. Once that happens, then we are bullish. All right. Once there is a break of structure to the other side, then it means that we are bullish. All right. I have overcome the world. I know, I know. I have overcome the world. Grab on with me. I know. So it depends on what the market give us. We are not to predict the market. We are not to like tell the market what to do. If he wants to buy, to tell us. If he wants to continue selling, to tell us. Yeah. Okay. So pretty much we don't have anything much for today. Just want to give you that weekly range profile. I'm going to call it a wrap so we can focus on. Today is Friday. Usually Friday is for my studies, right? I go over the market again to study, to reflect, to refresh, and to refire for the new week. So nothing much on Fridays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm done for the week. Sometimes I don't trade. In fact, Monday, Tuesday, I'm done for the week. So for this week, I'm good. I might choose not to trade today because I've made the money I want to make for the week already. I made it on Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday I was done for the week. So I could choose not to trade other days or I can trade. So you want to come to that point where one good trade you are done for the week. At most two trades. You don't have to trade every day. Okay? You don't have to take every move. One good trade, you are done for the week. One of my accounts, that one of my 1K live accounts. Last 2 weeks, I was on minus 600 drawdown. Live account, not them, not prop accounts. 1K personal live account. I was on minus 600. The trade I took for Monday and Tuesday, that day, I recovered the $600 with an extra profit. You don't understand? I was on a drawdown, like 2 weeks accumulated drawdown gave me minus 600. Just one single trade on EU and GU recovered all the drawdown and extra profits and I withdrew live account. So I have several times, not once, not two times, I've seen drawdown, like drawdown, came out of the drawdown, break even and profit. So this is 6 years plus for me. I'll be 7 years by December. I've seen it all. Is it the losses? Is it the blown accounts? Is it the mistakes? Is it the profits? Right. So if you're on a drawdown, I've been there. I was interviewed with 10th rate. I had Jordan for 8 months in one of my accounts for prop 10th rate. 8 months. You know what it means to be in the 8 month drawdown? Almost a year. By the 8 months, I recovered, came to break even, came to massive profit, and I still withdrew. So whatever you are facing in this journey, you have faced it. Not the way you want to talk. Drawdown, losses, mistakes, blow accounts, you don't face them. Right. So once again, mentorship is key. Mentorship is key. This is the last time I'll be giving mentorship for $29 because my daily offer is still on. So from September, if you know that you have anybody, so I'm giving this offer again. We are still in the August mentorship offer for $29. So if you know anybody that wants to lock their spot now, start reaching out to them. Come and learn, come and learn, come and learn. Because after August, by September, we are back to our normal $200. And there is no discount in this one. The best you can get here is instrumental payments. The best you can get after September is instrumental payments. You can't get anything less than 320. Okay, so Once again, I'll send the link. We have, of course, if you can afford the mentorship, we have free trainings once in a while. You can join every morning for London. You can pick one or two things. I also give strategies here. You can learn. But you want to get mentored by us, you have to pay the price. Then fund your account. So once again, I'm going to share the link for our general 100 days group. This is the general group that we have. Okay. I invite you into our general community. You can also reach out to me personally on my WhatsApp for questions. Okay. 09117436. You can share my number to anyone that wants to also get quality education. We are doing a lot. We are doing a lot. We are doing a lot. You can be guaranteed to have clarity when it comes to us. My students can testify. Who can testify that we are giving the best? You can testify that we are giving one of the best mentorship out there. Put it in the chat box. Yeah, I want to see. So you should be able um to sell our mentorship, and there is referral commission for those that can sell. Right? If you can sell the mentorship, you get 20%. You can this one alone self can make you can live off you can live off the referrals. So we are giving 20% mentor commission for you someone. Okay, bring in 10 people. Let me count the numbers. You get 40% of the commission. So reach out to me. Let's proclaim this the gospel of forex. People need to hear this. People need to learn this thing. These things are too simple. They are too simple. Sincerely, it just takes time and it takes consistency. Once you have understood this, you're going to print money like say your Canada. Just will there be losses? Of course, you have some losses. Okay, losses will happen, mistakes will happen, missed trades will happen. But overall, you have a skill that you can make money anytime, any day, anywhere. Right? You have a skill that you can make money anytime, any day, anywhere. So even if it takes you 1 year to learn this thing, it is worth it. Even if it takes you 2 years to learn this thing, do you agree? Even if it takes 1 year or 2 years to learn this thing, is it worth it? Talk to me. If it takes 1 year or 2 years just to learn, is it worth it? And if you are not subscribed to this channel, you are a suspect. All right. So that was it for today. Nothing much. We just chill. Allow the market to do its thing. No pressure. No worries. Okay. Just allow the market to do its thing. No pressure, guys. No pressure. No pressure. Detach. Detach your emotions from the profit. Okay. All right. That'll be it for today. See you in the mentorship. See you on Monday for another London live market analysis.